In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust text on Squarespace. If you've ever wanted your headlines to pop or your paragraphs to read more clearly, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click, using Squarespace's built-in tools. First, from your site's dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Website. This opens the main area where you manage all your site content. Next, choose Pages, and from the list, select the page where you want to make your text changes. If your page is tucked inside a folder or a section, simply open that area to find it. Once the page loads, you'll see a preview of how it currently appears on your site. Now, click Edit. This puts the page into editing mode so you can work directly on the content. Move your cursor over the section with the words you want to change, and click the text block. Text blocks are the basic building elements for paragraphs, headings, and lists, and you'll notice the selected block becomes active for editing. Highlight the specific text you want to adjust. The moment you select it, a context bar appears right by your selection with the tools you need. This is your mini formatting toolbox. You can switch the style from paragraph to headings, apply bold or italics for emphasis, change alignment for better layout, add or remove links to direct visitors to other pages, and use lists to make information easier to scan. You'll also see options to adjust text color or clear formatting if something looks off. If the toolbar disappears, just reselect the text to bring it back. Go ahead and make your adjustments. Keep your site's hierarchy in mind. Use headings for titles and section breaks so your content stays consistent with your site's design settings. If you only need a subtle tweak, like emphasizing a key phrase, bold or italics can do a lot without overwhelming the page. As you edit, you'll see the changes update right on the page, giving you instant feedback on spacing, line breaks, and overall readability. A couple of quick tips while you work. If you make a mistake, use Undo on your keyboard to step back. Keep paragraphs short and scannable for visitors on mobile, and use links thoughtfully to guide people to the most important parts of your site. That's all there is to it. Click Website on the left, open Pages, choose your page, hit Edit, click the text block, highlight the text, and use the context bar to format it the way you want. Simple, fast, and totally within your control.